What's up, Jordan?
What's up, homie? Snap on.
Not much, man. Yeah, man. He's here. Yeah. You coming out?
Got my ratchet.
Okay, cool. It's Snap on Wednesday, guys. Let's do this. Tyler?
Joel?
I don't know if people have met Rob yet.
No.
No? This is Rob. And that's Tyler.
That's Rob.
The star of the show.
You know me.
Tyler is fixing my broken screwdriver,
Yeah?
which is now fixed.
What'd you do to it? Use it as a pry bar?
No, I
Chisel?
was just trying to do
Or a
a
punch?
really tight screw that Tyrone had put on.
Please show me a flathead screw on one of your vehicles. I'd like to see it.
Yeah.
It's right in the engine bay area. There's one specific to the ground strap. And I was trying to use my wrist force, and somehow it broke.
I call bullshit, but whatever.
I'm sure this
Well,
one
'cause
is
you put a wrench on the hex bolster there so you can get more torque on it.
Yeah,
don't
well, I
even
mean,
think mine
hey,
actually
that's
had a
what-
wrench
you know
mark
what?
on it.
That's why they have
Isn't
them,
that's
so,
what it's for? Yeah.
what it's for.
Don't you put your biggest pair of channel locks on there and just go at her?
I saw this.
That's what this part's for.
Cordless charging.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
What can we learn about this? First off, that's the part number
So there's the
4.
base,
Okay.
and it's got USB outlets on the bottom, so you can plug it into 110 or into a laptop or
Yeah.
Joel, the back of your workstation,
Oh,
because it's magnetic.
sweet.
And there's a flashlight. Charging.
Oh, would you look at that, eh?
Charging.
It's all wireless charging. Stepping into the
Look at that.
21st century.
That's
eh,
cool.
bud?
That's very cool.
I know something else that's on your truck that I wanted to look at, but yeah, there it is.
What is that?
Holy crap.
That's our new meter. Well, it's been out of probably 5 months now.
Just shorts.
I honestly couldn't get enough stock.
Yeah.
But there's an app you can put on your tablet, phone, and that allows you to graph data and look at the information remotely. So, I don't know, pick an example. If you were testing a brake light
drive
circuit,
around or something, yeah.
you can't be at the back looking at your meter and pressing the brake pedal, so you hook the meter up at the back, go inside the car, step on the brake pedal. We can open it.
Sure, please do. I've wanted to see one for a while.
$1 billion?
No, only half.
Oh,
$500
$500 million.
million.
Oh, I love that.
You're pressing the
So
button.
$500 million and you get this super cool thing.
500.
So it comes with a temperature probe, the RPM probe.
Comes with everything, eh?
Next best thing to a true lab scope.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
So you can graph
Yeah,
data,
probe,
save it, email it, and do whatever you want.
Got to remember for the American people that watch this that the price is very steep, but it's not in American dollars. That's why.
It's in the Monopoly money. $8.49 Monopoly money.
Yeah. It's all auto ranging, obviously,
Of
right?
course, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Very interesting. I like
You know,
it.
being able to graph the data could be very helpful.
Yeah, it's a nice, comfortable size too, right? And then plus with the use of the app and everything, probably
Like if
makes
you're
it.
three test, I don't know,
RPM too.
a throttle position sensor as an example.
Yeah.
A lot of the times as you cycle it, you will not see a dropout on a numeric meter, right?
Right.
So you will see the dropout on a graph.
What would the what's
Takes
the
readings as fast
the
as
USB card
Update.
for? Oh, okay. Cool.
And the app, of course, is free.
Yeah. That's cool.
Robert wants one.
Yeah.
Always.
Robert needs one.
Always. I always try to get all the special tools. That's why I have no money. Ever.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like that.
Something else that's cool. You know, harmonic balancers. First, the Chryslers were the oddball ones. You needed a special puller to get them off.
Yep.
And then there's one now for the Hemi, for the Camaro. Corvette's got one. They all got different jaws. So now, there's the master kit that does them all.
Oh, wow.
So you have the standard jaws
Harmonic balancers.
from 10 years ago.
Yep.
And then those are for your Camaros. And then these ones actually go the other way, around behind
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
the arms of the harmonic balancer.
I can picture all this, yes. Well, I remember...
And I don't remember which one it is, but there is a 2-jaw.
Yeah, it
Yes.
goes down. Yeah, exactly.
And that's the master kit.
That's the master kit
that's
that
a
does
nice-
them all, yeah.
That is a nice kit.
So I now have 4 other kits in my truck that I don't need.
How much are those ones?
Oh, it's gonna be more than that. No, I'm just kidding. I don't fucking know. I don't even. I don't like to talk prices on this channel.
figure, can I just use it?
Can you just use it? Can you just borrow it for a week and you go back?
It's warranty. This right here.
500.
This
Well,
is-
see, I should be on the prices right.
It's not
This
bad.
is why you buy Snap-on, so you can have one this old and still use the fucking thing.
Are you warranting it again? Is this the second time now?
I broke the tooth on it, yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
that's right.
In reverse.
I broke a tooth too.
Ouch.
In reverse, yeah. Oh, right.
One of the
Yeah.
teeth is missing, so once you get
That's
any
right. Doing
real
doing a alignment on
Yeah.
a Santa Fe.
Might have had
Such a
something to
yes.
do with a 4-foot snipe.
There might have been this screwdriver.
No, there was none,
involved.
actually.
There was 0 snipe on this one, and then I also broke another one.
Broke
Tyrone's like
Tyrone's.
3-foot fucking
That was
Snap-on.
funny.
But it's because he doesn't tighten his head up.
No.
Yeah, no, his head, the flex head was loose.
Nope, no snipes.
No, snapped the whole flex head. Oh, dude, that is so cool. And it's super low pro too. It's like a half an inch from the ground. When it's on the ground, it almost looks like around half an inch, maybe an inch. That thing is super cool.
No, but I was, to be honest with you, I was shocked I was able to get one of the two little
It's on that locking side.
The ball or on the gear?
It's not on the gear. It's on like the locking side.
on the ball side.
You'd think that part would be stronger.
Aha.
We won't turn it on.
Oh, is that a new one?
4,000 lumens on high.
Oh, the light. Yeah,
And
Oh,
then
and it's not using it's not using the.
there is a part number there. I don't know if that shows up. It is rechargeable.
Yeah.
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 Plug it in.
And it doesn't use the 18-volt battery on it.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
Migraine. Don't shine at my eyes
Now,
right now.
you hold the button down. It is dimmable all the way down to 300 lumens.
Oh, nice. There you go.
Man, that is cool.
Yeah,
Run
that is
time
cool.
of 20 hours on 300 lumens. 2 hours at 4,000 lumens. If
That's
you
not
want to
bad.
replicate the sun.
Yeah, for 2 hours straight.
That's not bad.
Sorry, I'm getting hot.
Wow.
I'm getting hot.
That's crazy.
Cool floodlight. You're welcome.
Super light too, or what?
Yeah, I mean, geez, look what you get out of it.
Yeah.
Right? That's no joke light bulb.
Yeah, no doubt, eh?
You will light up your whole carport with it or something,
Yes.
Or if you just want to get a suntan or whatever, I guess.
Grow some plants.
Grow some plants.
How many lumens?
It is legal here now, so
I
yes.
don't think LEDs would work for that. Right?
Jordan. Oh yes, yes they will.
Oh, yeah.
I would have thought you'd need more ultraviolet or something. Shows what I
Cool.
know.
It's pretty cool though. That's quite
Well,
the
that's
line.
cool. We're gonna head back into the shop. We're busy, so we're gonna head back in and we got stuff
I'll
to do.
fix this ratchet circa 1942.
Yeah, there you go. All right. All right, guys. So welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. Well, you saw the truck stuff, of course. A bunch of new stuff. He's just going to keep on getting newer and newer stuff anyway after the SFC show, which, by the way, I am going to be uploading just the slideshow. That's going to be on probably like in the next day. Just the slideshow that you saw from last week. So we're going to do that just so you can see it without watching Snap on Wednesday. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, not much going on in the shop right now. We've been busy, but we're down another guy. So we're trying to make up for that stuff, and just it's close to the end of the month, so we've been trying to just everyone race to make our hours and all that stuff. So I am going to continue on with my day. I got to do an alignment on my car. I just put 2 new tires on it yesterday, so just want to make sure that everything's good and square, so I'm not wearing the hell out of these new things. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. I'm gonna go and do this, and then I'm gonna go burn these new fucking tires off. All right, guys. See you next week.